Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear? Well, let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to say that you could fall and no one would hear. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes pressing through, we don't need a friend to carry you. When you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. I know. And every time that you call out, you're a little less alone. If you only say the word, from across the silence your voice is heard. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes pressing through, we don't need a friend to carry you. When you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. Out of the shadows, the morning is breaking, and all is new. All is new. It's filling up the empty, and suddenly I see that all is new. All is new. You are not alone. 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 You are not. You are not alone. Even when the dark comes pressing through, we don't need a friend to carry you. When you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you'll rise again.